So it's been quite an eventful day outside of my house. For like an hour and a half I've been outside of my house and the most crap has happened. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm trying to do the most right now, but everything is hurting. I'm not feeling well. It's like I need to get certain things done while I'm already here at the mall, but it's just like my pelvis is hurting. I feel a little weak. I'm just like a hot mess right now. I had to get my nails done, cut them shorter, get mom nails. I was sad about that already. Other than that, like the hot flashes in the nail salon, so embarrassing, so random. By the time I filmed that clip of me sweating buckets sitting there in the nail salon like a moron, I had already wiped a whole bunch of sweat off my face. My nail lady though, she's so nice. Like she was like so worried about me. She's doing it so fast. She's like, let me get you some water. And she got me some water. But by the time I did that clip, I wasn't feeling as weak or as bad. I was just still sweating.
It's a little pressure here. Yeah, baby's head right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, measurements are perfect. 152, 154, which is good.
All is well. I did mention the whole hot flash thing that I had yesterday. She's like, it's pretty common. It's hormones. It could be blood sugar. It could be blood pressure. But when I got everything checked today, I was fine. So it's a normal part of pregnancy, really. Nothing to be alarmed about. I'm just happy to hear that, at least, because I wasn't sure what the heck was going on. Yeah, so it's just hot flashes. Beach day with the family.
Hey, add me a follow. Oh,
okay, how many times are we gonna say
follow
this?
me on Snapchat.
Hey, girl.
You know,
How's your popsicle?
I made this.
It's really good.
I made this. I just got hair in my mouth. That's nasty.
Ew, you're gross.
I just feel like there's no water. I don't want to see the dock.
I feel like you should stop complaining. You look very comfortable. Enjoy the heat. Another beach day. Oh, future splash pad. Noah's gonna be playing out. Say hi, Malin.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Jaden. And Kayla.
Hi.
Pickering Beach life.
Where it's nice and beautiful, sunny.
I want to do nothing but relax on the beach before this baby pops, and it's my second beach day.
But Shawnna, relaxing won't bring the baby down.
We have to walk.
I know, but this is the last time I have for myself
That is true.
that they encourage you to use.
For the baby, then you just come and you sit down.
No, I can still come here, but I mean for myself. That's gonna be with him.
Now I have sand in my ear.
Wait, this sounds so familiar. See,
That was like grade 11 or something. But who's feeding them? Is someone feeding them?
No, people are just eating, so they're out for food. Well, maybe.
I'm telling you like right now, if we get injured out, I'm out of here.
I know, right?
That's it for the day. Ask Melissa, she wants to hear the ocean. So ask her, can you hear the ocean? Don't stand on the mat though. On the beach.
Just bouncing away on my ball. Full term problems. Full term and didn't pop yet problems. So he's already head down, but this helps to get his body into position better. Like it lowers him and pushes down on your cervix, hopefully thinning it from the pressure. So yeah.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.